Hi everyone, so in this Shopify tutorial we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this Shopify tutorial we're gonna learn how we can remove this powered by Shopify link in your store footer. Alright, so to remove this powered by Shopify link, we're gonna go to the back end. Alright, now we're gonna go to the left sidebar, click on online store, go to themes. Alright, now go to actions, click on this arrow, go down and click on this edit languages. Okay, so now we're gonna search for powered right here in the filter, like so. Hit enter, and under checkout and system/links we find powered by Shopify. So just add the marker right here and hit space, like so. Alright, and we can also remove this from general/password page if you like. Just do the same thing, just delete this, like so. After that, just go to the top right corner, click on this save button. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to the store, update the browser, and let's go down and have a look. As you can see, we now have removed the powered by Shopify link. Okay everyone, so this is how you can remove your powered by Shopify link from your store footer in 2020. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so I hope this video helped you out. If you like this one and want more of these videos, you can subscribe right here in the corner. You can also check out my latest video right here. Just click on this image, and I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.